Leonardo has completed deliveries of NH90 helicopters and established a dedicated simulation center for New Hampshire 90 crews. The 46th SH-90A ASW helicopter, produced in Venice Tessera, is now at the Italian Navy's Maristaeli Luni base, bringing the total New Hampshire 90 fleet for the prime operator to 56. The first Italian Navy NH90 was delivered in 2011, and the fleet has since accumulated over 35,000 flight hours in various operations. The Full Crew Simulation Training Center features a Level D full flight simulator in MR1 configuration for training. It can potentially integrate with other simulation assets for joint and multi-domain networked mission training and offer training services to NH90 crews from other countries. The NH90 is a twin-engine helicopter suitable for naval and land-based operations, with a maximum speed of around 300 km per hour and a range of approximately 800 km.